How is this girl? You know that I'm calling you.
Brother, you call me?
No, I'm calling our ancestors. Is there another one behind you in this house? I beg, make sure you tie up the house and look at this shoe. Polish this shoe very well. Make it to look clean. Like this one I'm putting on here.
See my tie the house.
At least you understand what I talk. Make sure you do what I talk. You know, all the time you go to climb like a monkey. Sometimes I don't even know who you resemble.
Oh, no what?
That's how you be. You know, remember that you're a woman. You be climbing because your name is Infecha. Small time now you fly and get out of this house. Make sure you take care of the house.
Which kind of brother will I get to? My brother could just speak grammar without knowing what he
Are you calling me?
No, bye-bye. How my brother go say make I tie this whole house, then punish his shoe for him? You know they think, hi, now no say my brother na educated illiterate. Eh, no worry. I go do him, I go tie the house and punish him. If not, if he come back now, he go say me I know they listen to what in the talk. Okay. Wait. Just a one. First, my brother just start to call me back. Bye bye. What I want to do? Suffer. My brother say I punish you. Suffer.
What is it? What is it? Eh? I said, why are you beating my shoe? Did you run that for turn your brain or what?
I say you make my punish. You say make I punish you, then tie house. Which is what I do, not what I do so.
Don't we have polish in this house? Did I say you should flog my shoe? What kind of school do you? Hey! Imagine. Did the masquerade people come here? This how. My friend, go and remove this. Don't you see Bloom?
You say make I tie. I don't tie. Which you come be all this one now?
Education, you wear your education, other people they read you. See what you get for us. My friend, let me remove this thing though. I saw you should tie the house. Use broom.
Hey! So now I understand what you they talk.
What did I talk? What you know here before?
Hi, go. Which kind of brother get? See eh?
Education.
No be tie. It's tidy. They not be punished, they punish you. It's polish. Now you confuse me now.
When you go to school and tell your class teacher that one, I don't talk my own. Now me be education. What other people they read me? What did they worry you? I beg remove this thing, Joe. Not to tell me who I be. Now me be education. Don't know your brother. My friend, remove this thing, Joe.
Hey, God. Educated illiterate, one them. Hey, brother God.
Respect yourself. What you said ordinary message. You not understand anything. Look at you are beating my expensive shoe. If anything happens to this shoe, no school fees for you again in this house. Imagine, you can't even if I not, at least you should have watched it.
Oh, what you tell me I do? At least me they use better English.
Respect yourself in this house. Remove this and let me go.
And they come now, brother.
I'm sure you have cooking food. I have a sister. There's nothing you can do.
Instead of my brother to speak pidgin English, well good for him. You could just speak nonsense English. You could just they speak tautology anyhow. Oh no, wahala. You don't study, but you won't speak.
You call me talking.
Brother, no, I just agree. I agree.